Hi, may I speak to Lamise?
Yes, this is me. Hello
Hi,
there.
Lamise. This is Sam. I'm just calling you regarding the property, the one at 12715 Wendy Summer Lane, Houston. Is this your property?
Yeah, what about it?
I'm just wondering if you would consider selling that property for a good cash offer that makes sense for you.
For a really good cash offer, guys. You keep contacting me recently, so I'm really looking for good cash offer.
Okay, do you have any asking price in mind that you want us to work around?
Yeah, I want it for 7K.
7K?
Yeah, the condition is very good. I know that you're going to ask me about the condition rate, so it's like 10 on 10. It's perfect.
That's perfect. So this property is not listed in the market, right, for sale?
Yeah, it's not.
And do you own any mortgage on the property? If you wouldn't mind answer this.
I don't want to answer this. This is personal.
That's fine. Okay, so you said the property is in a perfect condition and this property is not listed, so you live in the property, right?
Yes, I do. And I
Mhm.
actually did a few remodels to the bathroom. I put like some diamonds in the bathroom. You know that?
Mhm.
Yeah, that's why I need really good cash offer for it.
Okay, so beside the right cash offer, do you have any other reason for selling the property?
Yeah, I'm going to somewhere else. I'm going to buy new property. That's why.
That's perfect. So if we come up with an offer and you were totally satisfied with, when would you do the closing?
Well, after 7 months, maybe.
Uh, Actually, we have a time schedule up to 6 months. So if we come up with an offer and you were totally satisfied with, wouldn't you be able to do the closing 6 months?
Well, it depends on the offer that you're going to give me. Maybe I
So
can manage.
so if it was a good one, you would do it, right?
Yeah, if I'll be
That
satisfied with.
that's perfect. So your first name is Lamise and the last name is Smith, and the best phone number to call you back at is the one that I'm calling you on, and the property address, the one at 12715 Wendy Summer Lane, Houston. When is the best time to call you back with an offer?
Well, I'm a morning person. You can contact me in the morning.
That's perfect. Okay, thank you. And one of the acquisition manager will call you back as soon as possible with the cash offer. If you are satisfied with, we can do the closing in six
And he
months.
would ask me more questions like you.
Not really.
Okay, so you were going just to call me to discuss me with numbers, right? He will give me the cash offer directly without any questions, right?
I believe so.
All right then.
My rule
Waiting.
here is just to confirm that you will get the best cash offer that meets your expectation. That's it. Thank you.
Oh,
Wish you a good
thank you.
day.